That is Christian teachings about work. Then we go to the traditional African attitude to work. In the traditional African society, people are required to work in order to meet their daily needs. They are required also, there is a structure for working, and different roles belong to different people. For example, the girls or the women are supposed to do what? To do the household chores, perform domestic tasks like clean, prepare, cook food, look after the babies. Whereas, what are the men supposed to do? They take up leadership positions and they act as protectors of the family. So you find out that work is well stipulated in the traditional African community. And also, work is regarded as a creative activity. When you're working, you're able to create something. And I give you, if your work in the traditional African society is pottery or weaving, you know you're creating something. That is creating. So it is regarded as a creative activity. Also, work is taught in early life. Not like nowadays. Early life, when you're a child, if you are a girl, you start making what? Pots. Or you start, yes, you start being taught how to clean the what? The utensils. If you're a young man, you are taught how to, you go with your father to graze the what? The kettle. So therefore, it is taught early in life. And then work is compulsory. It is a must for everyone to work. Everybody must work in the traditional African. Only under special circumstances where people don't work. Let's say if someone is an expectant mother is not supposed to work. But everybody, it's compulsory or must work. It's not like nowadays whereby everyone is not supposed to work. You can be there not working. Give me an example of a person who's living and not working. I just said that, and you do not have an example of people who are living their life and they're not working and they still have a good life. I could have given you children of people of secular music, but now you'll tell me, oh, shetani wewe shetani.